There's only a few type of cars that can pull off the color yellow, and unfortunately, Lamborghini is not one of those. So let's go ahead and change it up and make it something a little bit better. Welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have this Lamborghini Huracan right next to me, and we're gonna be wrapping it in no other color other than satin black. Currently, it is finished in this yellow color, and it does have a gloss black top. However, the customer wants to match the rest of his fleet of vehicles and matte it all out. Welcome back to Mile High Customs, guys. Today we have this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan right next to me. It is finished in this yellow, and it does have a gloss black top, as well as some black accents here and there. However, the customer wants to match the rest of his fleet, so we're gonna be blacking it all out. We are gonna be wrapping it in a satin black. We're also gonna be removing and retinting the full vehicle with 5% on all these sides in the back glass, 30% on the front windshield, and we're gonna be smoking out all the reflectors around it. So let's go ahead and pull it in and get started on it. So as you guys just saw, this is the third time that we have cut out the material for this hood. And if you guys take a closer look at the adhesive, it is actually defective. So this is a brand new part of the roll. And if you see those two lines, it looks like there's a little bit of adhesive missing. So whenever you go ahead and lay that, it looks like a whole bunch of dust and debris is under it. It looks like a whole bunch of specks. So we just got off the phone with fellers. They are going to warranty out the rest of the roll. The roll probably won't get here until next Monday. Hopefully it gets here Monday and not Tuesday, because we are trying to deliver this car by Wednesday. Wednesday is Christmas Eve, and we'd like to give the customer his vehicle back for then. Unfortunately, this is not something that was our fault or the distributor's fault. It was just a manufacturing defect. You know, nothing we can really do at this point. However, we are gonna see what material we can use, at least just so that way we can finish maybe a door on the other side. We still do have to disassemble the glass out of here. We have to take off the glass in order to remove the mirror. The driver's side is all done. So we'll see what we can do with whatever material we have left. And then we actually have to send the rest of this roll back to the manufacturer. That way they can run it through the lab and see exactly what went wrong. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, keep rocking and rolling, see what we can do. And we'll check back in with you guys a little later. So we just finished up transforming the beautiful Lamborghini Huracan with the full satin black vinyl wrap. We did also remove and retint the window tint on the sides and the back glass with Llumar ceramic 5% film, and then we did add the front windshield film with the ceramic Air 80, or the ceramic 30%, I'm sorry. One of the customer's concerns was that the dashboard is starting to lift up on some of the leather, so by adding that ceramic window tint, it's going to give us 99% UV protection and close to about 68% heat rejection to help preserve the interior as well as keep the client a lot cooler in the interior. We did also top it off with smoking out the reflectors on the front and the rear bumpers in our dark smoke just to finish up that full Batman look. But that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of us transforming this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan. Like always, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.